sit up here for 20 minutes?
Oh, they spicy. Egg roll! Woo! You want to see egg roll? Egg roll! Spicy egg roll! Spicy noodle egg roll! What do I do with the egg? I wash it off. The egg will cook. Would you like egg roll? It's some fried noodle and rice. Oh, we got bunch chicken. Table weed. Cannonball! You gotta eat the leftover. You missed your mouth. That'll do.
You need onion. You need to make an onion volcano.
Oh, volcano time! Woo, woo. My asthma was acting up. Shut up or I'll burn you. You guys want to know how to make chocolate milk? Yes? Was that a yes? Would you like to know how to make chocolate milk?
Yes.
Okay. Step one, motherfucker, you get a big cup. I'm gonna eat that. Oh yeah! We got the jumbo milk. Alright. So this is gonna look disgusting. But trust the process.
Okay, this is way too much.
There. So you want to get about 1/3 of the cup chocolate.
Like an eighth of the cup.
Oh, Asian dog! Okay, I'm taking the hat off for a second. No! Switchy's probably like, where the fuck is he? I'm going to fill it to the brim and feed it to dog. Next up, we cook dog. Step one, put her in oven. That's just gonna be 350 degrees for that. 36 minutes. Yeah. Stir, 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 stir. There's rice in your hair. And on your lap.
Oh my god.
And on the floor.
Cardi, come eat this rice.
Shut the fuck up! Very good. Very, very good. You know, it's so good. I think the fishies might like it. Enjoy enjoying it overseas. Oh shit. And now you want to.
It's not even hot.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot, I'm gonna take my clothes off. Oh, you're muted. Let's take some more bites. Spicy.
Are you gonna fail today?
No, we're not even doing any work. It's the onion. Choo-choo. Special delivery. Yum. Make sure you pat it down. Your wife likes spank spank, so you give food spank spank. And now to deliver the food. There you go.
No, Jayson.
There you go.
Jayson, stop. Jayson, stop. Jayson, stop.
She's recording it. Stop.
Is Hannah upstairs?
Yes.
Follow me. I'm coming up.
It's probably locked.
Can you open real quick? Because I need to ask you something.
Okay, stop.